wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this sunny morning, I want to tell you about myself. So please listen to me. First, I should know my name is Nasha Putri Prasetyo. I'm a girl who was born in Seoul, Jakarta on August 4, 2008. And for information, I'm half of Japanese because my father was born in Central Java. I moved to Bogor when I graduated from elementary school, and my old school was Nahwa Nur Islamic Junior High School. And for my study plan, I dream of becoming a student of Gadjah Mada University, and I'm choosing the Faculty of Medical Science. And for my hobbies, I actually don't know what my hobbies are, but I love to sing randomly. When I cook, when I'm helping my mom, and especially when I'm bored. I think it's enough. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.